want to point out a real important tip when working for the public. This is something that you need to make sure that you do every time, and it's taken me a long time to get into a habit of doing this. This 2004 Nissan Frontier that I'm going to be doing a radiator job on, and it just came to me the other day, and usually when you do a big repair, you should always disconnect the negative side of the battery, and you should just do it anyway as good practice. If I'm just doing a simple repair like a sensor change or something, I don't disconnect the battery, but when I'm doing a big job like a radiator and a thermostat, I'm going to do that. So one really important thing I want to share with you right now is make sure you always do this, okay? Before you disconnect the negative side of the battery, make sure that you run the engine. The brake light is supposed to be there because I got the parking brake set, and it goes away when I release the parking brake, and the seatbelt, picture of the seatbelt light is on as well. That's fine. The only thing that I want to make sure that I do is I'm looking for the service engine soon light, check engine light, or whatever the case is. Nissan's Infinitis are service engine soon, and any ABS, SRS, airbag lights, anything like that. You want to just make sure that you do a full fault code scan of the main engine computer, the PCM. You immediately notify the customer what you found, take a picture of the fault code, and then send it to them and let them know and tell them that this is the fault code you got before you did the repair, not after. Very important to say that, very important to do it before you do the repair. Here's the reason why you need to do a quick diagnostic before you do the job, okay? Any job on any customer's vehicle that is not here for a check engine light type repair or diagnostic of any warning light. So I'm going to go into just to read the codes, and I've got one current fault code that is a knock sensor, circuit 1, bank 1, single sensor, P0328. So the reason I'm doing this is because when you give the customer back to the vehicle and they see that the check engine light or service engine soon light is on, they're going to try to blame you for it. Not all, but a lot of customers will do that because they're weaselly, and that's just the way customers are. It's in their nature to want to get something for nothing. So just make sure you cover your ass by doing this one very important step.